1. Initial setup. Install React.js. Use Create React App or Vite for quick setup. Physics interactions. Use the React.3/Canon library to integrate physics simulations, like draggable or gravity-affected objects. Bash. npm install React.3/Canon. Example, a portfolio grid where each project falls into place when loaded. JSX. Import physics. Usebox from React.3/Canon. Function box. Const ref equals usebox equals mass 1. Return mesh ref equals ref slash. Function app. Return canvas physics box slash physics slash canvas. B. Advanced animations. Use React Spring or SAP for sophisticated animations when transitioning between sections. Bash. npm install React Spring/3 SAP. Example, animate camera movement between sections. JSX. Import use3 from React.3/Fiber. Import useEffect from React. Import SAP from SAP. Function camera animation. Const camera equals use3. UseEffect equals SAP 2 camera position x0 y5 z10 duration 2 camera. Return null. C. Dynamic text. Use the text component from Dre for interactive and styled 3D text. JSX. Import text from React.3/Dre. Function title. Return text. Font size equals 1. Color equals white. Anchor X equals center. Anchor Y equals middle. Position equals 0, 2, 0. Welcome to my 3D portfolio. /text. D. Portfolio showcase with floating cards. Create floating cards with HTML overlays using HTML from Dre. JSX. Import HTML from React.3/Dre. Function floating card. Return mesh position equals 0, 1, -2. HTML center. div style equals padding 10px. Background white. Border radius 5px. h3 project title /h3. PA short description of the project /p /div /html /mesh. E. Scroll-based animations. Use libraries like React.3 Fiber Scroll or Locomotive Scroll for immersive scroll-triggered effects. Bash. npm install React.3/Dre React.3 Fiber Scroll. Example, parallax scrolling that reveals portfolio sections as the user scrolls. Custom shaders. Write custom shaders using GLSL for stunning visual effects. JSX. Import shader material from React.3/Dre. Const shader equals const fragment shader equals void main gl_frag color equals vec4 0 1 0 2 0 8 1 0. Return mesh plain buffer geometry args equals 2 2 slash shader material fragment shader equals fragment shader slash mesh. G. Background animations. Add a dynamic background like particles, waves, or a galaxy scene. JSX. Import stars from React.3/Dre. Function background. Return stars radius equals 100, depth equals 50, count equals 5000/10. Polish and optimization. Optimize assets. Compress 3D models using Draco compression or tools like Blender. Lazy load components. Use suspense and useloader to load heavy assets only when needed. JSX. Import suspense from React. Function app. Return canvas. Suspense fallback equals mesh loading /mesh model / suspense / canvas. Improve performance. Use Dre's bake shadows and preload to boost performance for static scenes. 11. Deploy your portfolio. Choose a hosting platform. Vercel, great for React-based projects. Netlify, ideal for static site hosting. GitHub Pages, free hosting for repositories. Build and deploy. Bash. Sawchepma. npm run build. npx Vercel deploy. 12. Inspiration. Explore these portfolios for inspiration. Bruno Simon's portfolio. 3. JS journey. Bash. npx create React app my 3D portfolio. cd my 3D portfolio. npm start. Install 3.js, add 3.js to your project. Bash. Saw check ma. npm install 3. Install React 3 Fiber. RTF. This library simplifies using 3.js with React. Bash. npm install at React 3/Fiber at React 3/Dre. 2. Design the scene. Create a 3D scene. Use React 3 Fiber to manage the 3.js scene directly in JSX. JSX. Import canvas from at React 3/Fiber. Import orbit controls. Sphere. Box from at React 3/Dre. Function app. Return. Canvas. Ambient light intensity equals 0. 5 slash. Point light position equals 10, 10, 10 slash. Box position equals -1. 5, 0, 0 slash. Sphere position equals 1. 5, 0, 0 slash. Orbit controls slash canvas. Export default app. 3. Add interactive elements. Clickable objects. Add interactivity using event handlers like onClick, onPointerOver, etc. JSX. Box. OnClick equals alert, box clicked. OnPointerOver equals E. Object. Scale. Set 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. OnPointerOut equals E. Object. Scale. Set 1, 1, 1. Integrate animations. Use React Spring or 3. UseFrame for smooth animations. JSX. Import UseFrame from at React 3/Fiber. Function rotating box. Const ref equals useRef. UseFrame equals ref. Current. Rotation. Y plus equals 0. 0, 1.